I just want to motivate and educate type 1 diabetics to not let the disease kind of hold them back. We've only got one life, so you know, might as well live it to its full. Would have been a couple months ago. I was kind of struggling a little bit with my, I suppose you could say, and it probably sounds a bit deep, but my purpose in life. I've got a great job and that's great, but I feel like I don't have a whole lot of purpose in that, and I've always wanted to do something with the fitness space and my diabetes. And I've kind of got a little bit of an online following with my diabetes Instagram page, The Fittest Diabetic. And the purpose of that is to really inform people of what it's like to have type 1 diabetes and how they can utilise exercise to better manage their diabetes. And I was kind of struggling a little bit with the confidence issues putting stuff out on social media. So I had a good chat with my partner, and she kind of said, yeah, like everyone wants to know about this sort of stuff, and don't feel awkward or cringe about putting that out on social media. So I think that was probably the last time I asked for help. Actually, over the last couple of weeks, I've had like 2 or 3 type 1 diabetics reach out to me for advice about exercising. They were saying they've completely gone away from exercising because they're worried about the risks with their diabetes, and they're now wanting to get back into it because they've seen my page or someone's pointed them in my direction, and you know, to me that's pretty awesome.